Bonjour. Yeah, these streets are actually paved, unlike the ones I was at elsewhere that were just full of sand. Bonsoir. People are generally very friendly. It just makes me anxious because you're just so out of place as a white guy strolling down the street somewhere like this. And you just never know if someone not friendly is going to come up to you. But you can't really go around panicking about that. Go about your sightseeing and hope all goes well.
Chú bạc nói chân. Alright, maybe I should cut over a block and see if I can find a sand street. Oh, it's getting hotter now that I'm away from the ocean. I lost my sea breeze. Although for being in the tropics, the temperatures so far in Senegal have been quite mild. Alright, here's a sand street. So this is like the Northwestern outskirts of St. Louis. The historic center is on an island to the southwest of here. Bonjour. Wait a minute. The southeast, yeah. Bonjour. I don't think she was happy with being filmed. There's always going to be some people like that. Just try not to be obnoxious about it. Okay. That's probably enough for now. Okay, so I made it out of the neighborhoods and to the riverfront. I am walking south. The ocean is over on the right side here to the west, where the sun is, of course. Bonjour. I don't speak French, sorry. So more fishing boats lined up here on the riverside. Unfortunately, also a ton of trash. Bonjour. Had great weather. This is my 5th day in Senegal, I think. Every day has been clear sky and sunny, quite pretty. Over. Pretty setting here now. Bonjour. Bonjour.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir. No. Don't have anything, sorry. And don't speak French. She's just making up some phrases in English like, help, a shark wants to eat me. Oh boy. The sand streets of Northwest St. Louis. What an adventure. Bonjour. The kids are a lot more intrigued by my presence than the adults. They just seem to look at me like, what the hell is he doing here? Okay, can't be too much farther to the bridge to the city center. I wonder if it's prayer time here. Bonsoir. Wow, someone's actually driving down this sand street. Bonjour. It's hard to communicate when you have no idea what the kids are trying to say. Oh, here's like a square with soccer going on. Let's see, I'm gonna cut a street inland here. I'm coming up on 4 hours of walking here. Feeling pretty good though. It helps that the temperature is not too bad, and the one big thing is that the humidity is tolerable, which so many times in the tropics the humidity just kills you. Okay, well, I think that's enough for now. I'm going to cut back toward the riverfront road and see how much farther the bridge is. Okay, I found the bridge, 6:27 p.m. So that's been my incredible adventure over in Northwestern St. Louis and then into Mauritania for my 129th country.